Hi, good morning. It's Heather, and welcome to this sunrise yoga class. Let's get started seated on the floor and bring your soles out in front of you. So, soles on the floor, knees are bent. Place the hands on the knees and just inhale to send the chest forward and up. Exhale to round the back. Inhale, chest forward. And exhale, chin in, rounded back. So just seated cat-cows here to warm up a bit. You can do these in your own time, just kind of following the sound of your breath. And then one more, wherever you're at. Sit up and go ahead and take both hands to either side of you. Make sure that your fingers are facing towards the front of your mat and plant the feet firmly into the ground. Inhale. And then exhale, lift up the hips. Reverse tabletop. Squeeze the glutes, look up, and then gently come back down. Take your left knee into the chest here, and then just cross that left ankle over the right knee. Flex that foot nice and generously to protect your knee. And then just reverse your fingers. So your fingers now are going to face towards the back of your mat. Crawl those back just a little bit, coming to fingertips, and then open up the chest towards the sky once more. Inhale. And exhale, side out. Walk your hands back to where they were so that now your fingers face back towards the front. And two options here. So first option is to uncross, bring your foot back where it was. We're going to go back up into this reverse tabletop, or keep it where it is and see if you want to challenge yourself a little bit this morning. Inhale first, and then exhale, push up into reverse tabletop. Lower it down. Uncross, just send this left leg to go straight. Toes are flexed or your foot's flexed. And then just bring right fingertips behind you. Inhale, send the left hand up. And then hook it onto that right knee. Look back. And untwist. Come back to center first. And then facing towards the left side, place your left hand down. Right hand comes to the heart. And lift up the hips. You're going to come to the outside of this left foot. And if this is as far as you want to go, almost in an assisted side plank, that's perfectly fine. If you want to open up a little more, bring your chest up towards the sky. Maybe even lift your heel on that right foot and extend your right hand up and over. Just really waking up. Bring it down nice and controlled all the way to the mat. And then stack this right leg on top of the left. From here, we're going to sit on top of the left side of our hips. Use your right hand to really push yourself up. And you can use your left hand, to push yourself up. And then you can use your right hand as an assist. So if you're cool with it up here, great. If you want to help yourself balance a little better, you can bring it in front of you. What we're going for is a nice side stretch in the left side of the body. And then roll onto the ground to come back to seated. Flex the feet. Inhale, both hands come up. And exhale, fold it forward. So folding as far as works for you this morning. Just with every inhale, finding some length in the spine. And with every exhale, folding maybe just a little bit deeper. Noticing the sound of your breath, the quality of your breath, how you're feeling this morning, maybe how you want to feel. And then slow and controlled, rolling it all the way back up to seated. Let's reset. Take the soles to the mat. Hands come to either side of you. Again, fingers face forward to start. And then cross your right ankle this time over the left knee. So if you were comfortable with that lifted reverse tabletop with the pigeon leg, then you can try that again or keep it uncrossed. Inhale first, and exhale, lift up the hips. Look up. Shine your chest up towards the sky, and then lower it down. And we forgot to do our stretch in the beginning, so let's just flip our hands and bring our fingertips back. Inhaling, opening up that chest towards the sky, getting a really good shoulder stretch in so that you can feel nice and open, hopefully. And slowly coming back. Uncross, just straighten the leg now. And toes point up towards the ceiling. Left fingertips behind you. Inhale, right hand comes up. And just hook it onto the left knee. Look back. Untwist, bring it all the way to the right side, plant that palm. Left hand comes to the heart, lift up the hips. Coming to the outer edge of the right foot, either staying right here, or if you want to take it deeper, really opening up that chest towards the sky, maybe lifting the left heel and extending the left arm, up and over. Lower it down onto the hip. Place your left leg on top of the right, just stacking. Really plant down through that right hand and then extend the arm. Working to find that side stretch in the right side of the body. And then just roll back to seated. Take both hands to either side of you one last time. Fingers face towards the front of the mat. And then inhale and exhale, lift up. Come to upward plank. Only if comfortable, kind of dropping the head back and looking up. Then slowly lower down. Come to sit up and bring the soles together now. Legs in a diamond shape, and just bring your thumbs to the insides of the soles. Inhale. Lift up through the back. Lift up through the neck, through the head. Tall. And then exhale. Fold it forward. Come up to seated, roll it up, and then just bring one foot in and then the other, or crisscross applesauce, your preference, and come to seated. Bring your hands to your knees and just close the eyes for a moment. Before we get back up for the day, before we jump right into the next thing, let's just take a moment to have a few breaths to ourselves. Maybe just 3 deep breaths, and you can use this moment if you would like to set your intention for the day. Maybe it's just one word. Maybe we just keep it simple. And when you're ready, slowly blink the eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this short and sweet class, and I'd love to hear your intention if you would like to share it with me in the comments down below. I always think it's a great way to start the morning, sharing our intentions together. And if you did like this class, make sure to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's the best way to support free yoga here on YouTube, and it would be great to have you as a part of the family. Namaste. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.